What is up, guys? Today we are going to be getting my 3D print off the print bed. Let's go check it out. Hold up. Alright, we're here. It's a little, it's like, for bass, maybe. But yeah, here's the first parts. Okay, so this gets glued on here. It's like a bait for bass, maybe trout too, actually. But they have to be big trout, like really big trout though. But yeah, guys, that's the video. I'll see you tomorrow and have a great day.